Hi, welcome to Customily. Let's see how to install our app in your Shopify store. First, if you haven't already, create an account on app@customily.com. Pick Shopify as your e-commerce platform and type in your Shopify URL. This is your store's myshopify.com address. Complete the rest of your information and sign up. Once you register, Customily will verify your account. To get your account verified, you need to have a subscription. If you are not subscribed, hit us up at hello@customily.com to get you started. Once we have verified your account, you'll get a welcome email. Follow the instructions to log in to your Customily account. Once you're in, head on to Store and click the button to install Customily app on your Shopify. Click Install App, and Customily will do the rest. If we now go to Store, we can see on the top left corner that Customily is connected with our Shopify store. If we open Shopify, we can also find Customily installed under Apps. If we go to Products, we can see Customily created a demo product for us. Don't worry, this product is hidden from all sales channels, so your customers will never see it. Let's go back to Customily and link that product with one of the sample templates to check if the installation is working correctly. Link it with the text sample template. Save the product and click on the eye icon to check it on your store. And that's it. Customily is up and running on our store. The app will work out of the box with any theme your store has. And if needed, you can adjust its styles through settings to match your store's look and feel perfectly. If you have any questions, you can look for answers in our help center right here. If you don't find the answer, just send us a message and we'll help you right away. Goodbye and happy customizing.